Hi guys, and that's all for today. And I hope that you learned something from me. So, if you have any comments about this tutorial, you can actually comment on my social media platforms, and I will upload this on my YouTube channel. So, yeah, if you have any concerns or questions about this, then feel free to message me, okay, or comment on my posts. So, I'm going to show you the sample. The sample that I have created last year on my training. So this is what it looks like when you have successfully posted or scheduled a post. So here, so once it's already showing like this, like it's blurry, it means that it has been successfully posted. So yes, this is how it looks like. So you have the option also, if you'd like to delete it, just have to click the post that you'd like to delete, then go to the three dots here, then uh, it will show up duplicate, delete, or share. So just have to select or click the delete button, then it will be successfully deleted. So yeah. So since it has been posted already, so I can no longer delete this. But if it's still up to, up for posting, so you can actually select delete. So yeah. So yeah, that I think that's all. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day and you take care always, guys. Bye bye.